All right, welcome back. Welcome back to part 16, where we're continuing to do examples, finding the product using scientific notation. Here in example 2, we're going to work with negative exponents. We have the coefficient of 2.2 times 10 to the negative 5 times coefficient of 1.2 times 10 to the negative 3. What's the first thing we want to do? All right, so the first thing we want to do is we want to multiply those two coefficients. 2.2 or 2 and 2 tenths, 1.2 or 1 and 2 tenths. You want to recognize that there is 2 total digits to the right of this decimal. All right, and so we will use that information towards the end of finding this particular coefficient product. All right, so let's just get started. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4. Now, before I can start multiplying with the 1, I have to put a 0 as a placeholder right here in the ones place. Now, I can start to multiply using the one digit. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 2 is 2. Now I have these values. I will add them together. 4 plus 0 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 0 plus 2 is 2. Now, I have to show here in this product my invisible decimal. And since there was 2 digits to the right of the decimal, I move my invisible decimal in my final product 2 places to the left, giving me a new coefficient of 2.64, or 2 and 64 hundredths. Okay, so the second step in finding the product or the answer to a multiplication problem using scientific notation is that you want to start to multiply your bases, right? So bases are the same. We have base 10 with the exponential power of a negative 5. This symbol means times base 10 to the negative 3 exponential power. And so when you multiply bases that are the same, they stay the same in your answer. And so we have, and the rule is you add the exponents. So we have a negative 5 plus a negative 3. Look at it this way. Hey, you owe me $5. We're going to add another $3 because you borrowed $3 more. How much do you owe me in total? You owe me $8. That's what represents by negative 8. So we have base 10 to the negative 8 power. Hey, let's put both of these together to get our final answer. All right, so in our final answer, we've got our new coefficient of 2.64 times base 10 to the negative 8 power. That is your product, or the answer to the multiplication problem using scientific notation. Now you have to ask yourself again, is this coefficient 2.64? Is this between the numbers of 1.0 and 9.99? Yes, it is. It fits the criteria for scientific notation. This is going to be your solution. So in many ways, multiplying, dividing may be a lot easier than adding and subtracting if you follow these simple step-by-step instructions. Hey, math is easy. Take it step by step. We got another example and four more pause and practice problems. Stick with me. Thank you for joining me. Math is easy. Take it step by step. Please like, follow, and share, subscribe these videos.